They learned how to walk and fly. They got on the bridge. They're carefully walking towards this beautiful girl that showed up today. You guys like her, don't you? What in the heck-a-doodle is that? How beautiful. Everybody walking on the... I swear she's a type of a Peking. I don't know. Oh, well, she can fly, thank God. Oh, she fell. Are you okay, my love? Well, look at you two. Look how good you're doing. So proud of you, Daffy. Yeah. You guys are beautiful. Can you get off the bridge now? Huh? Can you get off the bridge? Let me see your cool feet, Daffy. Yeah, look how pretty you